it's a plant-based product, plant menu, and it's supposed to taste like a chicken burger. So TFT started thinking, hold on, what can TFT do with this one? I thought, ding! TFT is going to prepare these and see whether or not they are actually worth it. It's me, TFT, and yes, we are back. For the first time, all you viewers, all you subscribers, I would like to welcome you into the kitchen. Yes, TFT, the man who has difficulty knocking up a scrambled eggs on toast, is going to be preparing something just for you guys. Earlier, I went to ALDI. I picked up some yogurts here. Have a look at them. 25 grams of protein in this yogurt. You get it in a strawberry. You also get it in the vanilla. They've also got a strawberry caramel, which I tried looking for, but I could not find. I think they come to you at about 79 pence a tub. So 25 grams of protein for 79 pence, you can't go wrong. They've also got these mousses. These are 20 grams of protein. It's a chocolate mousse. You get it in vanilla, and you can also get it in strawberry. Now, it was while I was out looking for these protein products, I came across this bad boy. Are we ready for this one? Here we go. Yeah, that's right. Plant-based, spicy, no chicken burgers. You're probably wondering, what do they mean by no chicken? Well, it's a plant-based product, plant menu, and it's supposed to taste like a chicken burger. So TFT started thinking, hold on, what can TFT do with this one? I thought, ding! TFT is going to prepare these and see whether or not they are actually worth it. £1.99, that's how much they were. You're getting, it's only 7.9 grams of fat, 1.2 saturates, 0.83 salts, 240 calories per burger. But TFT is going to be smashing both of these burgers out. And let's see how we get on with this one. Let's have a look and see what they look like. Get these open. There you go, look at that. Oh, they come in a little bag as well. That's handy. They've got like a really, looks like a spicy coating to me, that does. Let's hope, oh actually, they are spicy. There's me thinking I've got the normal chicken burgers, but they're actually spicy. And guess what? It says in the box as well, but TFT forgot to notice that. Let's try these out, have a look at them. If we can just tear into these. Maybe I'll take a look at them. They're a reasonable size, aren't they? Okay, so there's one. And there is two. I'm going to be taking these two spicy chicken burgers and I'm going to be knocking them into this bad boy here. Can you see it? That's my Ninja. Whoa! Ninja fryer, air fryer. You can put them in the oven for 22 minutes, but you know what? Whenever it comes to stuff like this, I just chuck it in the air fryer. Okay, how do you use this damn thing? Air fryer, 20 minutes, air presto. Now while that's being prepared, let's knock up, well, Warburton buns. I'm thinking Warburton buns. Put a bit of butter on them, slap them chicken burgers in there, maybe put a bit of sauce on as well, what do you reckon? Oh, bit of the pack, spreadable. She usually puts it in the fridge and it gets all hard, so it becomes difficult to put the butter on the buns, but this is alright. I don't think it's been in the fridge that long. Got some nice creamy layer pack on that as well. Whistle while you work, whistle while you work. One important thing to remember is if you're ever going to be preparing burgers at home, if you're going to be getting burgers from the supermarkets, always make sure that you got a decent sauce. You know, you can save money on the burgers, you can save money on the product, but when it comes to sauces, make sure you're using creme de la creme. That's why we're going for some Heinz seriously good mayonnaise. Okay. There we are. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put cheese on one of them. So let's put a layer of cheese on one of these burgers. They've still got about 4 or 5 minutes to cook. Well, actually a few minutes to cook, so we'll do that. Put that back in. And away we go. We actually got a couple of more minutes left on that. Okay guys, them burgers seem to be done. One goes there. And we're going to put that on there like that. What we're going to do is we're just going to go, ooh, pat that down. Good boy. Don't worry, your turn's coming. There we go, pat that down. Good boy. Take a look at them. Not a bad size, are they? Not for $1.99 for two. You're not complaining. Not a bad effort by TFT, is it? When you look at the actual burger, it's not got a, it's not even a crispy batter. It's not like a breadcrumb batter. It's like a really hard. Let's taste that batter. It's like an onion bhaji batter. You know what you get with the onion bhajis? You've tried them onion bhajis, the pakoras. It tastes like that sort of batter. Let's give it a whirl. It just tastes like masala. Oh, that cheese taste is coming through. You can taste that layer pack. The layer pack and the cheese and the lettuce has got more flavour than the chicken burger. TFT for $1.99. What did you expect? Let's give that side a bite as well. I don't know. But I will say for $1.99 for two burgers, it's not bad. It's like kind of an onion bhaji sandwich. If you get an onion bhaji, put it in a bun, it tastes exactly the same. So maybe Aldi, if you're watching, rather than calling them spicy chicken burgers, just go ahead and call it the onion bhaji burgers and get people to put them in a bun. Because actually, if I was to review this as an onion bhaji, I'd say it was mighty fine. But I'm reviewing it as a spicy chicken burger. So it tastes nice, don't get me wrong, but it does not taste nothing like a chicken burger. Nothing whatsoever. Well, maybe put in a portion of fries. Not a bad effort, do you think? $1.99. And also not a bad effort by me. I'm pretty pleased with myself. So, listen guys, if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Fantastic. Really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Only one more thing. Oh, actually, hold on. Let's go ahead and give this let's give it a score. What are you saying? Okay, just a quick rundown. Chicken burger. The batter was absolutely amazing. It was like an onion bhaji batter. I was expecting when I bit into it a nice, juicy, chicken taste kind of plant-based chicken burger, but all I got was masala. Tasted like an onion bhaji, like I said. The bun, well, it's from Warburton's. What do you expect? And no, I'm not being sponsored by Warburton's. You got a bit of the lettuce, a bit of the mayonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and give this a not so respectable as a chicken burger for, yeah, 4 out of 10. That's all you're getting, Aldi, 4 out of 10, even though I've only paid $1.99. One more thing left to say to Aldi and all you guys at home watching TFT in the kitchen. You guys have all officially been food troll certified. And we shall see you guys for the next one.